Hi everyone, today we're going to be playing with underwater sand building kit from the science squad.
Right, science squad, so it's called hydroponic sand. So basically it's sand that is waterproof.
Yes, it will not like water.
What do we do?
So first, you pour in the water like this. In a
Pour the
little
water
tray.
into the tray that it comes with.
You see? Now look. Now that's how it's supposed to look. And then you grab this sand. And then take the scissors. I'm going to start with orange because that's one of my favorite colors. And you keep some of it on the edge. Then you cut that off. That came in there.
Pour it in there. We've got little funnels too if you need
Yes.
funnels to help you pour it in.
And I just took off that little red thing. Then we just go boop. Then we have funnels, like Mom just said. And then we just take a funnel and we just go, see?
Fill up your bottle. That one's got some of it on there so you can see how it kind of floats on the surface.
Yeah, it's waterproof.
It is waterproof.
Now watch this. Now you can look to make a little sand art. Like watch this. I'm gonna go. Honey Daphne, how did you get it out?
Oh no, I didn't.
So we have to cut off the top of this, and now we can do it.
Now you can make designs. You can do whatever design you want it. And build it up. Floats on the surface.
Did I ever tell you guys, if you actually pick this up, it will actually feel like just sand.
Yeah, what's that?
Sand.
Oh, yep, it's just dry. It's just dry sand again.
This actually feels like when you're on a beach and you just
That is dry
sit.
sand.
It is dry. Pretty cool, huh?
You know why? Because it doesn't. It's like that.
It floats.
It doesn't like the water.
Yeah, that's fine
It
sand.
repels the water. So typical sand, if we were to put it in there, what would happen if we were to put it?
wet.
If you guys typically know, at the beach it always sinks.
It sinks, right?
Yes.
So this stands. But yes, you're right too, Ephraim. It would absorb some of the water and it would be wet. So the hydroponic sand.
It's wet and not dry.
I can just notice this.
Mom, I figured something out that you should actually try.
What's that?
So, if you go around the water like this, you see how it builds up? Look right there. It sinks it down so it will come up.
Oh, you can make a hole with it.
Mommy, tell me.
Now, Mom, guess what's gonna happen? That water is gonna be like a volcano. If I keep on doing that over and over again, it's gonna put so much weight. It's going to go down to the bottom of this like that, and it's actually going. Wait, you guys want to see how it actually is waterproof? Okay, so 3, 2, 1. See, it won't come out. It doesn't like the water. So if I put this in here, it just goes.
Right.
Time to switch over to some green sand.
Ephraim, what color are you doing?
Orange.
Do you want to try the funnel this time?
You guys, I told you, Mom, look what I just did. I just dug a little hole in there.
Oh, look at there's water sitting on top of it right there.
Yeah. You know why, Mom? Look, the sand is putting so much weight on there. Here, let's get more sand from over here.
Oh, it's sinking it?
It's sinking the sand. Let's take the water, go and do like that. Go on top of the sand.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Guys,
Look at some of it's underwater and some of it's on top of the water. What happens to the underwater kind if you pull it out?
If I pull out,
oh, guys,
Yes.
this sunk. It sunk in the water. It sunk.
I know there is.
Pretty cool.
And if it looks in the, Mom, look right there. It looks so cool. If it's, look, Mom, the water can't go on top of it. The sand, look, and if you pound it down, it will. Oh, Mom, look at that. Cool.
Yeah, you can make like a land, a little island.
I know that's
Look what
why.
I did, Mom. Look, I made this little water. What? Mom, you know what this feels like? Oh, like a gummy bear. You know how like those little things that you squish and it comes back alive? Like that?
That's really pretty, Ephraim. Kind of looks tie-dye almost.
Wait, I figured something out. You can pop the water. Mom, that's water right there. I got, look, that's water. I freed it. Well, you guys, watch this. How about I make a little stream of water. Shoop, 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 shoop. And look, it comes from that area.
Why are you trying to do
Area?
it? I'm putting water on it.
What are you doing?
I put water on it now. It's just dry.
Oh, cool. That's pretty neat.
I'm actually going to sort myself because I love my sand so much that I want to keep on playing with this. I'm just going to take the orange. I'm going to keep a couple orange
Oh, you're
sand
just
in
taking it right out of there?
Yeah,
And then it's just dry.
yeah. You can see a bit of water drops, but that's
You
no.
can use it again.
Yep. I'm just going to pick up all this sand. Oh, this isn't
What is happening?
It's a crazy reaction.
It's a reaction.
Something.
So what kind of reaction is it then? So with this underwater sand, it's sand that's coated in an oil type of substance that they put on it, and that makes it hydraponic, which means that when it comes in contact with water, the little grains stay connected together, so it stays dry as a powder instead of coming apart. So that essentially the sand is floating sand, and then it connects with each other. So you can kind of build on it. So that's how you're able to build it underwater like that, where it stays dry and you can build it and then have it be dry on the top. Pretty cool.
You know what I want to do? Make a little hole.
You pick it up just so when you put your hand in, your hand is wet. But then pick up the sand.
No, look, I got some water in my little.
Show it to your hand. Let's see, open your hand up. Oh, look at that. That is so cool.
More that's in the water.
So then you can play with this forever.
I put it in with the water all day.
So the second part of our video, we're gonna be doing instant ice,
Right.
and it's part of the Science Club,
Science Squad.
Science Squad.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we're gonna make instant ice. So to make instant ice, the package comes with instant ice packets. And so we're gonna take the instant ice and put it in a saucepan. So you need a parent for this. Pour it in the saucepan. And then you're gonna take 24 milliliters of water and pour that in there. And then we're gonna turn on the stove.
You have to have a
Alright,
parent if you're doing this.
Yes, you have to have a parent. And you're gonna heat that up and stir it until it becomes a nice dissolved saturated substance. So keep stirring it.
Try to get up those chunky ones.
Chunks out of there. Again, make sure you've got a parent with you when you're working on the stove.
Because my parents' mommy. Once it's dissolved in there, then you place it in a jar.
Right, so we poured it from the pan into the jar. And now you're gonna put it in a cool place and let it cool down so you can put it in the refrigerator.
Look over here.
We'll just let that cool.
We let it cool in the refrigerator. Now we're going to make it into ice in these little trays. It's so cold.
It is cold. Yeah, we put it. Oh, look at there it goes. Did it turn instantly to ice? It did.
Oh,
What's it feel like? Ooh, it's warm though. It's warm ice.
eat it.
No, don't eat it.
No, I'm smelling it. If it smells like snow.
No, it
It's
doesn't.
basically snow now.
It's kind of like a snow, but it's more of an ice. And so you can actually melt it back down again in the pan and do it again with this ice. So this is hydrology. So it's working
Can
with
you
the
touch it?
water. Yeah, you can touch it. Just don't put it in your mouth.
Oh, chemicals?
But yeah, it just kind of turns to an instant slushy ice. It went from a liquid to a solid.
You know, I want to do that again.
You want to do it again?
Yep, I'm gonna pour it in the pan. Mommy's gonna help me.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. So we are melting down the solid again, taking it from a solid back to a liquid with heat.
We should do this over and over then.
There it goes. It's getting taken back down to a liquid. So the heat allows that water to change composition and the solid back to a liquid. So then we'll take it and we'll pour it back into your jar again, put it back in the refrigerator and try it again.
And I want
So we're gonna take it
to pour it in there.
and pour it right into the jar so you can see it is liquid again. So now we're going to put that back in the refrigerator and cool it down again.
We just took it out of the fridge again. What happened?
It's liquid.
What happened to it?
Mine is all ice.
So it's not turning back into
What
ice,
happened?
but
What happened? Oh, it's ice.
iced in the cup.
Mine, I worked out.
Oh, yours poured out, so yours turned ice again.
What do you think happened?
Oh, you've got big ice crystal chunks in yours.
Crystals.
Yep, yours is getting slushy. Yours is still a little warm. You might have wanted to leave it in there a little bit longer. What's yours looking like?
Basically just getting out all this ice.
So yours crystallized and iced right in the jar.
Thanks for watching our video. Check out the Science Squad. Bye.
We're gonna see what happens when we let it cool down again. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to our videos.